According to the timelines of Sports Obama, Sadiq Adams, some posts they make, they suggest today, make them bring Eddie Nketiah. Now that's Ghana walk or World Cup. While qualifying our walk on. A man for what Bona Benin, Umbra supports.
No.
People too they call the other guy, what be his name?
Hudson, Callum Hudson Odoi.
Yes. Now the question I'm out for baby will be said there. When where were they? Any agenda, or any transfer, whether it be Western Union or be edited, where you go on, where some journalists will start agenda no. God is watching them.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Ebusia, what friend is DJ Parkour Rich? I had him here Parkour Rich Studios. Na echo social media CC and your man call for a toning. Monkey de weke, babu de chop.
Quite you, yeah, more.
I no che.
Not shameful.
Of course, in your man could tell me studio. I made them my party, made them my bro,
Of course.
Mr. Bannerman, PKB.
Yeah, man.
Where we there? PKB.
Yeah.
So, according to the timelines of Sports Obama, Sadiq Adams, some posts they make, they suggest today, make them bring Eddie Nketiah. Now that's Ghana walk or World Cup. While qualifying our walk on. A man for what Bona Benin, Umbra supports.
No.
People too they call the other guy, what be his name?
Hudson, Callum Hudson Odoi.
Yes. Now the question I'm out for baby will be said there. When where were they? When Ghana they struggle, now they know they feel they qualify for AFCON and then where them they? Where them boys they? P.
Yeah, man.
You see this thing, you guys, this agenda you guys they push. It be correct.
Oh, well, for me, I get open mind about this particular topic because from the onset, as I see Sadiq Adams in post about Eddie Nketiah, where he's been keeping close contact with the family, and they are hoping to successfully switch his allegiance to Ghana from England, because I mean, back in 2023, Eddie Nketiah, wanted to play for the England national team, and he's not been able to get a call up till now. And so since he's also a Ghanaian and the Ghanaian team is looking good, why not add him up? That's the whole narration or direction of Sadiq Adams. That's how come there's close contact between him and the family of Eddie Nketiah. And then tell social media space they go frenzy. They go like, but oh yeah, me I'm an ambiance and what about baby dear nah.
I am wasam.
But I mean, I think as Ghanaians, of course, yeah, we go explode and things, and we go feel say but why not be human and be we go in that direction, and after a while, see everything will calm down, everybody go cool down. They will eventually add these boys if actually space day for them, because going to the World Cup, DJ, if you have one striker, you need to have a backup striker because anything can happen. Jordan Ayew is our most experienced forward that we have. There's nothing wrong with adding Eddie Nketiah to the team. Yes, of course, he wasn't part of the qualification team. Yes, which actually makes him like, yeah, yo, Charlie, why you can't join now? It'd be nice they can't join. So I mean, for me, I'll be open-minded about it. If the opportunity they where they go fit Adam on, make them come play. As Ghanaians, for cool down, for calm down, because all the emotions and things, your customer form, we need a good squad. And I am your coach no cry no some way.
Now, with or without a good squad, no being we qualify.
So I'm coming. Yes, we've been able to qualify, and I mean we've done extremely well. I've been not saying we no lose, only like one draw, and the rest be like wins and all of that. Even though Otoado said this is the second time they qualify we go, but DJ, like I'm saying, if Jordan Ayew is there, Semenyo is there, Eddie Nketiah Babe Kanwa, it doesn't spoil anything. But
It
if
is spoil something, my
relax.
brother.
But if we should go to the World Cup and the unfortunate happens and one gets hurt and wants to move into another position and we don't have the guys, someone to put there, that will be a problem. That I'm not saying that the boys will then help push, make we reach the World Cup, make them call anybody. If they call somebody, I go vex.
As they bring them, did they take 26 or 20?
So
who they for drop make he enter?
DJ, they know they drop anybody. It go fit shock you self, say we go reach 2026 next year, injuries go come up and things.
Okay, let's say the injuries is
where now they frustrate the team and things.
Injuries to no.
We need to open up. Look, what we are doing now, we need to do it now. We shouldn't wait when injuries come before we'll try and get these guys to switch allegiance. It will be late.
But then why not find different people? Because these people,
like different people, like you mean like
different players. Because you know what, when we needed them most, them show us say Ghana is not the best team for them.
Oh, it be.
Or the Ghana in a second choice. No, pero Obama England.
DJ.
Say England then a fair like by now. Okay, let's say they okay England they decided to give Nketiah a slot. So now he's playing for England. Does it mean that because of that we can't go to the World Cup and perform?
Oh, we can go to the World Cup.
And so let's live with that school of thought because these people then show us shaggy. When we needed them most, they not show up for us. And so any agenda, or any transfer, whether it be Western Union or be edited, where you go on, where some journalists will start agenda, God is watching them. Please.
But DJ.
Make them sit where them day.
DJ.
Yeah.
See, say experience the counts, right?
Of course.
I'm not saying that when our local players are not up to the task, right? They are. But see, DJ, the experience and the learnings you get from abroad, if you're good food, it's difficult to get that here. It's only a few special players like Benjamin Asari that can prove otherwise. That is facts.
Benjamin Asari said,
I'm coming.
I come. Benjamin Asari said, I hear say some people started talks they for find a world class
No. That guy did it for
Benjamin Asari nature one per world class biome.
He be one of the oldest
goalkeepers
so far.
One a purple
guy. See, me, DJ, I'm not into the conversation. Say, Yankofa players are more abuchi make a team. No, let's be open-minded. If we need these players, bro,
but
let's
we don't
put
need
all
them.
Emotions aside.
But we don't need them.
Who says we don't need them? If we don't need them, Kofi Adams and the entire sports directors won't consider.
Maybe they are doing it for their own personal interest.
Oh no.
But at the end of the day, see, it is not just about names. This guy now, Nonaka said, "He
play for Crystal Palace. From Arsenal to Crystal Palace.
Well, so what's the big deal? Crystal Palace na yen who be obobi da Jordan wa abo Crystal da.
Look.
And so what they bring to the table?
They bring a lot. See Kwesi Sibo, right? Kwesi Sibo and Partey in pairing, right? It be solid pair. But this guy be outside guy. The only problem be say they no try call and way he bounce we now he come back. But so he's equally good like Eddie.
So you are good. You are good. We called you. You bounced us. Stay there. When you want kawamu name.
Well, for me as Ghanaians, let's move from the emotional conversation.
It not be emotional. This be logic. See, these guys where they come from abroad safe. Most of them Ghana national pledge anthem krawunyimuto. So if they play safe, they play their hearts out.
But some ministers safe, they give them pull safe.
Put that one aside.
Safe, they don't know.
Put that one aside. But you see, the kind of love that they take play ball for here. These boys, they don't get some.
At least if they come with the bench with something. Oh, come on, Charlie.
Please.
Maybe I can ask you one question. If you get dual citizenship, DJ, right? Let's say you were a Ghanaian and you're a German.
Yeah.
Which would you want to play first?
Of course, I'll play for Ghana.
I know say you talk Ghana.
Of course, I'll play for Ghana.
Yes, but that's a very unrealistic.
Tell them,
especially when you have lived there for how long? You've lived there. You've had your entire football career from there.
So you should go and play for England. Simple as that.
I mean, the experience is even bringing from abroad.
We don't need that experience. We are Africans going for the World Cup. So let Africans play what is for Africans. We know any long team. You understand? So the whole fact is that, bro, wherever them day, where we they play AFCON and make them day there, qualify, so make them day there. In the Aki Williams day, you go make fine, you go come support them things. You understand?
But for me,
we don't care.
Let them backup.
We don't need any backup.
We forget multiple options so that when we get there.
See, if strikers hit, we go convert midfielders to strikers.
You see,
we go do them.
That's you being very
we go do them. People have done. People.
You are just being a typical Ghanaian right now.
People at a point made defenders, goalkeepers, and they were able to win matches. There is nothing. Those are camp, cases. PKB.
Those cases,
Africa Cup of a World Cup here, Africa that we go past a rather if you achievement give me. Now we go take these people going first round with the club house. I beg.
That be why we for choose the very best.
I beg.
Even if they bounced and they are still available now, you can use them. DJ.
I beg.
Yes, you know sometimes you wouldn't want to give your position out because of what you've been through and all of that. Sometimes it's difficult. But hey, you can learn from whoever that is coming to replace you and add it to yours. And then we move.
All right, guys. So let's know what you think and your decisions. Do you think we should include these guys? Let me see that in the comment section. We are out of here.
Yeah,
I mean,
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.